Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Achieving the perfect cocoa liquor requires precision. Our automated grinders ensure a perfectly balanced grind.
Check the viscosity on panel 3. It's spiking.
Adjusting the pressure now. Looks stable.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is made. You can watch it from start to finish.